Okay, so this is Grandpa attempting to move his bear bait freezer. And well, it's not going over so well because we're tearing down this building. And yeah, and this is our demolished crew. And oh no, Jamie's gotta get involved, so this is not good. Definitely not good. And that's a John Deere tractor right there, son. And I hope he's not making Jamie try to lift the freezer. Freezer slipping! And because Jamie is undergoing this. Oh, that was not a good sound. Oh, yeah. Are you alright, Jamie? Okay. Last thing we need is Jamie's foot to be smashing. And Grandpa's gonna lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. Grandpa, thank you. Okay. He keeps dropping it, and he's already dug a big old hole in his own driveway. Grandpa's gonna start cussing at Grandma again. Watch him, he's so funny. There.
No, stop. Just push.
Oh. They need to drop! They need to drop! Stop! There you go. Drop it, drop it, drop it! Stop! There you go. Up! Go up! Go up with the fork! Stop! He just demolished. Oh no! There's gonna be bear bait mess in there. Horrible bear bait mess. And it's gonna smell like no tomorrow. It's gonna smell like 7 dead corpses. Even more than that, because bear bait is rotten food. Uh-oh.
That was what I was trying to get you to avoid.
That's what we were trying to do, just too heavy. Maybe the three of us can get the turn around and upright it now.
No. Honey,
Grandpa is really mad, but he's not gonna show it because he knows I'm recording. Okay, I better stop the video. I will show more later.